Good day viewers, you are welcome. How to solve this nice system of equations? We have a squared b equals 196 and ab squared equals 112. Let's solve these two system of equations. So we call this one equation 1 and this is equation 2. Let's say from equation 1 and 2, suppose I divide equation 1 and 2 together. So if 1, we divide it by 2, then we are going to have a squared b divided by ab squared equals 196 divided by 112. Then, so 1a cancelled 1a here. We have a divided by, then b cancelled 1b from here. That is a over b equals 196 divided by 112. Then 196 divided by 112. So when we break this down, we are going to have a divided by b equals 7 divided by 4. And to get the value of a and b here, suppose I cross multiply and make a the subject of the formula. We are going to have a equals 7b divided by 4. So I'm going to call this one equation 3. Then let's substitute this equation 3 into equation 1. So by substituting this into equation 1 or any of these two equations, let's go for equation 2. From equation 2, we have ab squared. This equals 112. And we have gotten a from equation 3 as 7b over 4. Let's substitute it in this equation 2. We have 7b divided by 4 multiplied by b squared equals 112. And by cross multiplying, we multiply 4 by 112. Here we have 7. So here is b raised to power 1. Here is b raised to power 2. This gives us b raised to power 3 equals 112 multiplied by 4. And we multiply 112 by 4. We have this as 7b raised to power 3 equals 448. Then we divide both sides by 7 from here. So this cancels this. And here is b raised to power 3 equals, so when we divide 7 by this, we get 64. And 64 in exponent form is given as 4 raised to power of 3. So I have to make sure that they both have the same power, because 64 here can still be 2 raised to power 6. But since we have the b raised to power 3 here, so I have to make it as the base of 4, then raised to power of 3. Here, I'm only interested to get the real solutions, because if you have b raised to power 3 and 4 raised to power 3 here, this is more of cubic equations, which requires to get 3 answers, both real and the complex. But I only want to get the real solution, so therefore I will cancel 3 and cancel 3. When 3 cancelled, we are going to have b equals 4. So here is the first value of b. Then when we recall from our equation 3 here, we have a equals 7b divided by 4. So for 7b over 4, we have to substitute the value of b, which is 4, into this. So by doing that, we have our a equals 7 multiplied by 4 divided by 4, and 7 times 4, it gives us 28 over 4, and 28 over 4, that is 7. Therefore, we have a equals 7, and we have b equals 4. These are the two values that satisfy these given equations, and we can just try and substitute into any of these, equation 1 or 2. Suppose I substitute into equation 1 to check. So to check for this, if equation 1 is given as a squared b equals 196, and we are given a as 7 squared multiplied by 4. So 7 squared is given as 49 multiplied by 4, and 49 times 4, that is 196, which shows that the left hand side equals the right hand side. So similarly, when we substitute for the second one as well, it's still going to be equal, and that's how we have done. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.